Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts. I'm going to remove this trim panel first. Plastic trim tools from 1aauto.com, best way to do it without harming your interior finish. Pull out on this panel. Once you get it out, make sure you're pulling straight, and then it kind of comes off this way. Same thing here with your switch panel. And then disconnect the switches. There's tabs, green tab here, and this blue tab here. Looks like this one came right out. Just a little tab on the side. Disconnect it. Now you want to get this off. Should pull out. There are 6 7mm bolts. 1, 2. There's one missing here, but 3 and 4. And right down at the bottom, 5 and 6. And we'll remove those. Again, using your plastic trim tool, get in underneath of the mirror switch. The clips are on the side, so you just kind of get it under there, twist, and it pulls up and out, and you do kind of have to rotate it up like that and out, and press the tab and disconnect. Make sure you have all your bolts out. And the door panel, one of mine just fell out, which is okay. Door panel comes out and off. Pull your handle to pull the cable out, then grab hold of this little ball here to hold the cable out. And then pull the cable from the door lock. And use a screwdriver or something to help you release the tabs here. You'll need to raise your window up. And disconnect your switch again. And pull your shield back far enough to reveal this 6mm bolt and remove it. That allows you to slide this forward and pull. Actually, that'll be good enough right there. Inside the door, use a little pick tool. You could use a screwdriver too. Release this clip and pull the rod out. 2 11mm nuts hold the door handle in place. One is right up under here and a little hard to get to because the window regulator rail's in the way. And then you can get to the other one very easily right through here. And we'll remove those 11mm nuts. So the front one, use a deep 11mm and go in behind the rail. This back one is really easy to get to just with an extension and the 11mm deep socket. And remove them. With this back nut off, just pull the lock cylinder right out. All right, most likely if your door handle is broken, it's just gonna kind of come right out. But if you're looking to upgrade to chrome door handles, pull the bottom out and the door handle comes out. A lot of times this will happen, that the stud actually comes out from the door handle. Set of locking pliers and your ratchet and socket, and just take the stud out. Original handle from the vehicle and actually you can see it's in good shape other than the stud coming out. 1A Auto, we sell chrome door handles, nice upgrade. We also sell handles that are smooth black. You can paint to match your original color, as well as textured black. And you can see that the handle from 1A Auto, quality replacement, it's gonna go on there just like the original. We'll take the rod out, put it into the new handle. And we're ready to go. Good while you're here, a little cleaner, just clean up the mounting area. Make sure that your lock rod is just over to the side. Put the latch rod down in place. And the top should go in first. Pull the handle out and kind of look back in. The studs go in. Take one of the 11mm nuts and feed it right back into place. And start it on. And before you put the rear nut in place, put your lock cylinder in place. And then start this nut on. Take your rod, make sure it's nice and free. It's also actuating. Put the rod right into the clip, pull. So that's secure. And then this one goes back into the clip. Push up on the rod, then push it into the clip and lock the clip in place. And put this block back in place. Make sure that your door lock cable is clipped into the back side. And top on, back to latch, and the bottom latch. Okay. Lock this back in place. Make sure all your harnesses kind of go in there. And put your 6mm bolt back in place. And then you can put your water shield back up. The door panel has a series of hooks that go into slots in the door. So you can kind of put it into place. Make sure your harnesses go through. Put the cable into the door, pull it, push it through. Make sure your harnesses come up through. Put your door lock button in. Line up all those hooks. Just gonna make sure our door lock button goes into the hole. Okay, the hooks should all line up and allow the panel to be flush with the door. Make sure your mirror harness comes through as well. Both the front and the back are flush. Push it down into place. And then we can reinstall our 6 7mm bolts that hold it in place. For these two that go in at the door handle, we just put some grease on there. That actually is just going to make it so they kind of stay in our socket. Feed it into place and start them in. Just clean the grease off the socket and start the other ones in. And on these bottom ones, tighten them. Don't get them too tight because you'll end up stripping the plastic nuts that they go into. And reconnect your harness leads. Green, blue, a small black one. Oops. Make sure you put it in there correctly. it down and lock it into place. And this one kind of hooks on the top first, snaps in place, and then this one snaps right in place. Install the mirror switch, reconnect it, down and in. Just make sure you clock it correctly. When it's in the middle position, that should be straight up. Push it in. Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.